Your sleeping brain still hears everything around you. It secretly filters sounds all night long. A slamming door wakes you instantly. Your own name whispers through the dark loudly. The brain scans for threats during deep sleep. Familiar sounds get quietly blocked away. Strangers' voices trigger sharp brain activity spikes. A mother hears her baby cry immediately. Construction noise fades into total silence overnight. The thalamus acts as a powerful sound gatekeeper. It decides what reaches your conscious mind. Danger signals always break through the filter. Your name carries special neurological priority always. The sleeping brain never fully switches off.